If you've decided to get a pond, then you've been asked about lighting. You may be undecided about the additional cost, but adding lights to your pond or water feature can truly change your experience. There are two ways to enjoy your pond. The daylight gives you the experience of bringing nature right to your yard. The water glistening in the sun, the vibrant plant life, the moss and driftwood details, but with lights, when darkness falls, you are transported to another world. The ecosystem below the surface glows to life. The lights on the falls offer a new perspective of the crashing water. The plants are blanketed with a soft, radiant glow. The fish have a magical quality about them. With lighting, you really get two ponds for the price of one. It's never too late to brighten your nights with pond lights.